I'm Megan with Rocky Mountain Sewing and Vacuum, here with another This or That Thursday for you guys. This week we're going to be going over the Bernette b05 Academy and the Bernette b37. The Bernette b05 Academy is a great economical machine. A lot of times people like to use this for classrooms in schools and stuff like that. So this machine comes with a whole bunch of accessories, an extra feet and an extension table and a whole bunch of goodies, but it is a very simplistic machine. So if you're looking for a machine that has a lot of things packed into the box and is fairly easy to use, this one is a great one to turn to. It does have a couple decorative stitches and some of the knobs like we're used to on some of the older mechanical machines, which is pretty nice. And then of course it also has a needle threader, which you can't go wrong with a needle threader, can ya? Now, if we go and look over at the B37 here, you'll notice that it looks a little bit different. So the B37 is actually a slightly computerized machine. You do have a lot of decorative stitches that you can find. By opening that drawer, there's a little booklet with all of them in there for you. It also does have that wonderful needle threader because, like I said, you can never go wrong. But some things that I personally like is going to be like the speed control on the front, and then also you've got some of those extra buttons like a tie-off button and things like that. You can still alter the stitch length and stitch width on both of these machines. You just go about it a different way. And overall, they're just great basic machines for you to get started with. As always, if you have any questions, let us know in the comment section. If you have any suggestions for This or That Thursdays, please let us know as well. And other than that, I hope to see you in the store, and we'll see you on next This or That Thursday.